Look at the rain long enough with no thoughts in your head, and you gradually feel your body feeling loose, shaking free of world of reality. Rain has the power to hypnotize. It has been a year since we moved to this amazing place. I don't want to reveal it. It is not a secret place, but there are many secrets in this place. It is a world inside the world, layers of mystery, especially in the monsoons. People are always migrating from this place like birds. They come when season is up, but last 2 years it's been horrible. Staying inside the house within the four walls. Even if I have to go out for essential activities, there was a fear in the air. The fear of pandemic, infection, the strangeness of seeing everyone from far away, wearing masks. When my stream of thoughts keeps talking about this, I focus on the sound of rain, how the droplets are touching the leaves and falling on the ground, bouncing on the roofs of old houses. Blue, yellow, orange wildflowers glowing up everywhere. Nature has its way to change the landscape without knowing anyone. Like when we see artist painting the picture, we get to know someone is painting by the brush using the colors. But who holds the brush for nature? Few times when I woke up and went for a walk in this beautiful village, it felt like continuation of dream. Last year many of us felt disconnected from the world, but most scary thing is disconnection with yourself. Hard time is in between reinventing yourself. I am on this journey. Maybe this rain, these old trees, I can borrow some wisdom from them and be still, even when there is a storm outside, or just keep flowing in a drizzling rain.